Hello and welcome back to another episode of Chris's Corner presented to you by Neishloss and Fleming. Last time we were able to discuss certifications and the importance of making sure you get all of that out of the way to ensure a less stressful AEP. Now we're going to discuss AEP planning. AEP is the time of the year where every agent is running around like a chicken with their head cut off. So what can you do to save more time for sales? You need to plan well ahead. What is your strategy? What is your goal? How do you plan on achieving this goal? You must organize your time. One of the things you need to do is make sure you're reaching out to your existing clients. See what their needs are. Are they going to need a consultation? Do they want to review the 2022 options? Either way, you want to make sure you take care of them first so they continue to stay on your book for 2022. You need to make sure that your marketing campaigns are going to be executed at the right time. Whether it's lead drops, digital ads, print ads, mailers, whatever you are looking to do, the last thing that you need to have is a marketing campaign start too late into the season and then make it completely ineffective for AEP. So have that stuff planned out by August and implemented. Next, know the new products for 2022. The plans that you were selling in 2021 very well may be changing. So if your clients are going to need new plans, you want to make sure you're staying out ahead of that. Also, for new clients that you are looking to bring on in AEP, you want to make sure you're prepared with the information on the products available to them in their market. Next, remember to use your resources. You have carrier reps all over the country who work specifically in your markets. Also, you have producer help desk for each carrier you're working with. They can answer these specific questions on specific products and really help you out when you're in a pinch. Also, we here at Neishloss and Fleming have the resources and capabilities to do all of this for you. So we're the one-stop shop. Don't ever hesitate to give us a call. Lastly, make sure you're efficiently running your appointments and enrolling your clients by using Medicare Center. Medicare Center is going to allow you to save a whole bunch of windshield time, allowing you to see more people and service more clients, and lastly, make more sales. And that is all we have for you today on Chris's Corner. If you have any questions at all, or if you want to know how we can help you with your AEP planning, please do not ever hesitate to give us a call. Lastly, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Chris's Corner.